We need to discuss this right now.
Yes, sir, I was expecting this. The auditors have raised 3 major points regarding IAS 8.
First, tell me about this change in depreciation method for machinery. Why are we changing from straight line to reducing balance?
Sir, technically it's a change in accounting estimate, not policy. But auditors want us to treat part of it as policy change. The new method better reflects the actual wear and tear of our machines.
I don't want any retrospective mess in the report. How much impact will this have on last year's profit?
It will reduce last year's reported profit by approximately 1.8 crore taka if treated retrospectively. But we can argue it's purely a change in estimate and apply it prospectively.
What about the inventory valuation error they found in last year's closing stock?
That's a clear prior period error under IAS 8. We overstated last year's inventory by 87 lakh taka. We have to do retrospective restatement, restate last year's figures and adjust retained earnings.
This will look bad in the annual report. Shareholders will question our internal controls. How did this even happen?
It was due to wrong cutoff procedures at year-end. The warehouse team included some post-year-end receipts in last year's stock. We have already strengthened the process.
Next one, change in useful life of factory building from 30 years to 22 years. Is this justified?
Yes, sir. After the structural assessment last month, it's clear the building is aging faster due to humidity and heavy machinery vibration. This is a valid change in accounting estimate.
How will this affect our current year's profit?
It will increase depreciation expense by around 1.4 crore taka this year. Profit after tax will decrease by almost 1.1 crore.
I don't like multiple changes in one year. It gives a negative impression. Can we manage these changes more smartly?
We have to follow IAS 8 properly. Selective application can create bigger problems with the auditors and regulators. I suggest we make proper disclosures with clear justification in the notes.
Prepare a detailed note explaining all these changes and errors. I want the language to be transparent but confident. No room for doubt.
Already working on it. I'll also prepare a reconciliation table showing the impact of corrections and changes on prior period figures.
Good. One more thing, from next year, I want tighter control on accounting estimates and policies. We cannot afford repeated IAS 8 issues.
Understood, sir. I'll schedule a session with the accounts team on IAS 8 compliance.
All right. Send me the revised draft with all IAS 8 disclosures by tomorrow afternoon.
Sure, sir. I'll share it before 3 p.m.